All right, here we go. This is 24 Top Stadium Club 2 Compact Hobby Box Break, PYT 871. We have the Rangers and Nationals available. Grab them now before we end that listing. After this, we have our Donruss Elite first off the line, PYT 869. And we do have breaks Wednesday as well, so grab your spots on Wednesday's breaks. Grab these last two teams. Should be an auto in each one of these boxes. You guys are going to guess the player on the last auto. We got 64 cards per box as well. Grab those last teams. Get your guesses in. You do not have to be in the break to guess. So if you're watching live, throw a name out there out of the Stadium Club auto checklist. If you guess correctly, you'll get 20 in credit to use in our shop for any breaks, packs, or boxes. Pack number 1. Christian Scott, Jose Altuve, Cedane Rafaela, Adolis Garcia, Jose Canseco, Austin Riley, Jackie Robinson, and Max Scherzer on the Chrome. Again, we had two teams left. We had the Rangers and Nationals. I don't know if they've been purchased, but I'm going to end that listing here in a few more packs. So if you haven't grabbed them, do so now. There's Julio rookie, Jeremy Pena, Ernie Banks, Kyle Manzardo, Alex Bregman, Mike Trout on the Power Pact, Marcus Stroman on the red, Tanner Bybee on the Chrome. James Duran, or Jaron Duran, Jacob deGrom, Roger Clemens, Spencer Strider, Kyle Harrison. We got a die cut coming up. That's going to be Corey Seager on the die cut for the Rangers. Nico Horner on the red parallel. Chrome Bo Jackson. On top of this one. Next pack. Still have time to get your guesses in for the player on the last auto in this. Nolan Ryan, Rod Carew, Austin Martin, Jose Abreu, Jonathan Clase. That's the Chrome. Ellie Dela Cruz on the Special Forces. We got the green parallel. This will be numbered Dale Murphy out of 199. Going to the Braves. We got a purple Julio Rodriguez out of 75. Nice little pack there. And then George Brett. Next pack. See if I can grab it. Tristan Casas. Adrian Beltre. Alex Rodriguez. Tom Glavine. Luis Matos rookie. Mel Ott on the refractor chrome. Wilson Contreras red. James Outman on the base chrome. Alright, I'm going to end this listing after this pack. We have not sold out. Jeff Bagwell. Jackie Robinson. Blaze Alexander. Jeremy Pena. Masataka Yoshida. Giancarlo Stanton, George Brett, Zach Wheeler. So this listing here. We are full. All right, that's updated, and I put the future break schedule pinned in the chat. So if you guys want to grab teams for Wednesday, do so now. There's Paul Skeens, Juan Soto, Hank Aaron, Luciano, Greg Biggio. There's an auto. That is Aramis Ramirez for the Cubs. I sit there for the Cubs spot. It's a name I haven't heard in a while. Nice auto there. We'll top load what we have so far after this. There's Kyron Paris on the red. And Kyle Harrison on a chrome rookie. Don Russ Elite Football first off the line is coming up next. Our next break night is Wednesday. Grab your spots on Wednesday's breaks. Those messages will be going out if you have bought into spots for those breaks. We got the schedule posted up on the future break schedule. I think we may have a spot for one more break we may add before Wednesday. Just depends on what it's close to filling. So, Shuma. Oh, you should grab all the teams he played for just in case. What year was the one at Stadium Club where he was hitting the tire? Was that a different product? You can find that year of Stadium Club and run that again. Weiler Abreu, a rookie. Jonathan Clase for the Mariners. Nolan Ryan again. We got Rafael Devers. Lopafrido. Caminero on the Special Forces insert. Jeff Bagwell. Then we have Hunter Green on the chrome for the Reds. We got Bernie Williams. Jackie Robinson. Ben Brown. William Contreras. Larry Walker. Johan Rojas. Cody Bellinger. And we have our chrome Roger Clemens for the Yankees. Should have one more auto. Get those guesses in for the player on that last auto for 20 in credit. And we got our final break of the night is Don Russ Elite Football coming up after this. There's Torrey Hunter. Jimenez. Tyler Black. Babe Ruth. Abreu again. Mike Trout on the Power Pact. Jose Altuve. Mike Schmidt on the Chrome. We got 5 more packs after this one. There's Jared Jones, McCutcheon, Votto, Wheeler, Puckett. Another die cut. That is Jose Altuve for the Astros. Red, Gleyber Torres, Matt Olson on the chrome. Stop with this one real quick. You can use that future break schedule to grab spots in Wednesday's break. And you can also find our upcoming breaks as well. Stephen Kwan, Christian Scott, all our newly listed breaks are on that page as well. Yogi Berra, Rafaela, Jack Leiter, Ellie Dela Cruz on the Special Forces. Green Cody Bellinger for the Cubs. That's out of 191 or 199. And we got a Lane Thomas purple out of 75 for the Nationals. And then we have Jose Barrios. 3 packs after this one. We got Devin Williams, Matt McClain, Kyle Schwarber, Joe Mauer, Tristan McKenzie, Chris Sale, Dylan Cease, Nick Castellanos, Kyle Manzardo, Mariano Rivera, Jaron Duran, Jackson Merrill, Corbin Burns, Giancarlo Stanton on the velocity, Hideki Matsui and Spencer Steer. 2 packs left. Bo Naylor, JT Realmuto, Sal Frelick, Shane Bieber, Austin Martin, and Kyle Harrison. This is going to be out of 50. Rookie Kyle Harrison for the Giants. He was a guess of the break. I don't think we had anybody guess Harrison. 38 out of 50 on that one. Nice auto there for the Giants spot. We got the negative or the black and white, Hank Aaron. And our final pack of the break. We'll top load what we have, do a recap, and then move on to the last break of the night. There's Hideki Matsui, Tristan Casas, Colt Keith, Christian Yelich, Tanner Bybee, Junior Caminero on the Special Forces, Luis Matos red, and Ozzy Albies. Let's top load these. Again, we will be back on Wednesday. We have 1 break left tonight. PYT 869, our Donruss Elite, first off the line. Football Hobby Box, that is coming up next. A recap. There's Cody Bellinger out of 199. Lane Thomas out of 75. Chris Sale on the refractor. Callahan on the black and white. Matos on the red. Altuve die cuts. Jonathan Clase. Not exactly sure what parallel that one is. Dale Murphy out of 199. Mel Ott refractor chrome. Julio Rodriguez out of 75. Paul Skeens rookie. Kyron Paris red rookie. Kyle Harrison chrome. Corey Seager die cut. Aramis Ramirez auto for the Cubs. Kyle Harrison auto out of 50. Going to the Giants. That does it for this one. Thanks again for everyone helping fill that break. Donruss Elite is coming up next. We'll get that list pulled up here. We'll get the title updated as well.